Permission required to deploy anti-ballistic missiles.
Permission granted.
Weapons activated. Permission required to activate self-defense mode.
Granted. Everyone, take up arms and prepare for battle. Watch out for those drones. Knock them down to reduce the pressure of their attacks. Pay attention to the trajectory of missiles and avoid their target destination. They're coming again! Intercept them! Focus on where it glitters. That could be its weakness. Hold on! Keep shooting! The carrier's engine has failed and can't be started. All soldiers cover the evacuation of our passengers. Danger! Avoid its beam attack! Ah!
Monarch is in critical alert. Activating evacuation measures. Chopper in position. Please evacuate immediately.
Is everyone okay? Hold on to your seats. We're still not out of the woods yet. What? Wait. Is it gonna fire a beam at us? Godzilla? It's Godzilla! It's saving us. Another beam? Watch out! Unbelievable. We're still alive. It's Kong! Huh. Godzilla and Kong saved us! Are they drawn by that colossal heap of metal? Those drones are getting on my nerves. Let's take care of them with our Gatling gun. That's how you do it! All right! Nice job, Godzilla! Guys, even though it's dangerous, let's talk real quick. It's just that this is an opportunity of a lifetime. Shouldn't we stick close to watch their last stand? Watch out! Hey, you doing okay? The technology of this aircraft is one of its kind. I wonder who came up with this. Drones incoming. It's all up to you, my friend. Be careful! Kong saved us again. Hope that he's all right. Whoa, what a sight! I'm speechless. Pay attention to the body of Mechagodzilla. The spot that emits the red beam is its weakness. Now's the time. Fire! Good job. Continue the great work. Bullseye! Mechagodzilla is weakened. Alright guys, it's time to leave. That was totally a peaceful observation and tracking. I hope that the info we collected is useful. Otherwise, sacrificing the ship. What a loss.
Mm.